Hello guys. So today I want to talk about something different, something about self improvement. From last so many years, I am focusing on self improvement, and that is wrong goal for me, which I have to come in the conclusion with. Okay, I speak wrong English again, but this is my English speaking journey, so I am making as many mistake as possible, as much mistake as possible. So what I'm saying is that. Self-improvement journey is totally bullshit if you are not financially free. If you are not self-independent, if you are not freedom, if you haven't achieved freedom, that means self-improvement is totally shit. We should not focus on self-improvement. What we should focus is on making ourselves capable on earning more and more and more and more and more. For example, I make from my past. What I do is that I make a routine. Okay, I will wake up at 6 a.m. I will do cold shower bath. I will do workout. I will do 10-minute meditation. I will read affirmation, and then I will study about something, and then after that I will follow fixed diet. Then after that at night I will do face wash. I will sleep at fixed time. This should not be our goal. Looks maxing this are our second. This should be our secondary goal. Our primary goal is making money. Instead of this goal, I should have decided on one goal is that okay. Today is July month, so in this July month, I will make myself capable of making 5,000 rupees this month. So I will earn 5,000 rupees this month. I don't know how to earn this, so I will decide. Okay, this is through this way I can make 5,000 rupees, and I have to put this effort and do these things, and then I have to do those things, and then at the end of the July I have to evaluate, does that thing work, and if that works, good, and if that didn't work, then why is that not worked, and after achieving 5,000 in July, then in August I have to make a plan of achieving 10,000. Then like this I have to gradually improving myself, and the money I have earned through this period I have to reinvest those on myself, on my skills, on mentorships, on talking with the people who are expert, giving them their fees. So with this we can do like this, and we can, if we have made it our goal of money, okay, so this is the fucking amount, this is the specific amount of money we are gonna make, then we can totally focus our entire behavior, like okay, then we can totally focus on our thing, like okay, at this particular time today I'm talking with this person. Does my talking with that person make it more likely or less likely that I hit my goal? Does that person help me in any ways to achieve my that goal? If answer is no, then I will stop talking with that. Or if any activity, okay, so I want to play 2 hours badminton, okay, so that's 2 hours playing badminton gonna give me those amount of money? No, that means I have to eliminate those things. So we can eliminate all those things, because we can clearly see, is that thing gonna help me on achieving my that goal or not? If the answer is clearly no, then I have to avoid those things. So through this way we can do this, like, and with that and the way is that improving is that self improvement is very easy. Self improvement is nothing but it's all required money. For example, if I want to improve myself, I have to focus on three things. First thing is inner appearance, okay. Three things I mean to say, 4 to 5 things. For example, I need to have a clean face. So for that, I can do three things. First thing that I should wake up. After waking up, I should do face wash, and then after doing face wash, I should apply sunscreen in my face. That's it. Whenever I and then I have to carry sunscreen with myself, and whenever I go in contact of sun, I should reapply this sunscreen, and I should avoid as much as I can in direct exposing my face directly on the harsh rays of sun during the peak hours of sun. Okay, so this is how my skin gonna, and I have to avoid dust, getting dust in my face, and I have to wash my face whenever I come from dust, and I have to wash my face with face wash before sleeping. And for here, if I have the bald genetics, if I see that I have